So I just got a really tough revelation. I look like this, okay? It's part of it, don't worry. Wait, what happened, baby? All right, mama has to. So, some of us have been hearing that we are in our harvest season, that we are about to receive all the promises that we're waiting on God to give us. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, yes, I receive it. I even pray, coming into agreement with the mouthpiece for the Lord. And I say, yeah, it's seed planted on fertile ground. And shortly after, almost like I lost that seed. And I would say, oh, the enemy is stealing my seed. The enemy is stealing my seed. The enemy is not stealing my seed. God just revealed it to me right now. He is still preparing my soil. I am not in the harvest season. Not everybody is in the harvest season. Yes, there are people that are there. That word is for them. That's why it's always important to pray to God that the words that you're receiving are from Him and are for you from Him. I'm sitting here thinking that I'm in my harvest season, and I look like this, okay, at 3:12 in the afternoon. That's also, I was sick, yes. Probably look a little bit worse than usual. But I haven't became the person that is ready for my harvest. I'm still working on it with God. So we need to start being honest. Collect your edges. I'm sorry. But we need to start being honest, because we're not all in our harvest season. We're still looking like this and expecting God to move and give us the blessings that we're still in the... Get done? Okay. Son decided to have a little jam fest with his Fisher Price record player. But anyway, we haven't been stewarding the things that we have yet. We're not ready. We haven't received the fruit of patience. We haven't received the fruit of the Spirit. That is the revelation of today. And yeah, our harvest season is coming. God is working on our soil. Let's start walking towards that person that we are meant to be, and not just expected to just be given to us, because He's uprooting out of us so that He can plant the seed in fertile ground. So that is my word. Okay? Goodbye. Let me go fix my hair.